Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to edit and delete job alerts on Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the glassdoor.com website and you'll be greeted by, as I said, a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. We have, for instance, the community where we can go click on this button here and post some of your posts that you have in mind. You can also see some posts that other people posted here. We have the jobs where you can go and search for jobs. So you can find your perfect job, put the location and search for it here. We can also add some filters later if you want. We have companies where guys, you can go and find a workplace that works for you. This is a new feature. So if you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company here and then just click search. We have salaries. So are you paid fairly? Find out. Here you can see salaries. You can put your job title and location to see if you have been paid fairly. And in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to edit and delete job alerts on Glassdoor. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and tap job alert to create new alert. Then edit or delete job alerts by tapping the arrow icon on the right of each saved search. Turn on and off new job notifications and new job emails by using the slider button. And set frequency of the job notifications by selecting either daily or weekly. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.